Every time you open a new AI chat, it knows absolutely nothing about you. Your company, your voice, your rules, gone. There's a file that permanently fixes that. It's called a soul file. Let me show you what that is and how to use it. A soul file is a single plain text markdown file that lives on your actual shared drive for your AI on your computer. And it does one job. It tells the AI who you are or your company is before it does anything else. Not a prompt that you type each time, not a chat message that disappears. It's a file that's permanent and always there. Think of it like a handbook that you would hand someone on day one of them working for you. Except in this case, the AI reads this file at the start of every session, and it does it automatically. Let me show you what's inside. This is just a base template that has 5 sections in it, and it's just for simplicity reasons. First part of the soul file that we come into is what this file is. So this is telling the actual AI that this is the soul file of this company or entity that every agent reads first. And this is done before each task, for each session, and so on. Then it breaks it down like this. And these are the actual 5 points. Who the company is or the entity is, who the humans are and what authority they have, what agents can and cannot do, where everything is, and sometimes we actually put a folder map in here, but this is just an entry level for you guys. What the non-negotiable rules are, if there's ever a conflict between this file over that, this one trumps that one, and so on. So first, here's the company identity. So you have 1 sentence that says what you do, 2 to 3 sentences, your brand philosophy, what makes you different. This is what the AI reads to understand who it's working for. Second is the humans. This is a section that nobody else is talking about. You literally list names who have access to this file, what they do, and how they can use it. Also in this area, it's listing who the AI reports to, their names, their roles, and so on. This is great for when the system actually needs to identify when a human should get involved. Third is what the agents can do and what they cannot do. These are your guardrails written in plain English. For instance, draft and produce all content types defined in the skill files. We'll get into more of that later. Build strategy documents. This is where it's to save outputs of anything that you actually output using this soul file, and so on. And here's what the agents cannot do. Use pricing figures that aren't found in your actual pricing reference guide. Make commitments, promises, or guarantees the actual entity or company it serves. This 4th section is actually the brand or the brand voice, if you will. It states who the brand is. It tells about the voice and the tone and the summary, as well as your target client summaries and so forth. Then this final section, the quality and non-negotiables. For instance, don't invent data, no external sends without human review. This is the difference between AI that actually helps you versus AI that embarrasses you. Hi, I'm Eric. Be sure to follow for more because I will continue to demystify what these files are and how you can use them with your AI.